Enterprise resource planning. We shall discuss about the ERP in this episode. We shall try to cover the definition of ERP, functional areas covered with an ERP, benefit and challenges of implementation of ERP, and finally we shall discuss about the causes of failure of implementation of ERP in an organization. So firstly, we shall discuss about the definition. The definition of ERP can be defined in three different ways. We shall discuss now. In first way, enterprise resource planning (ERP) is the integrated management of core business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. Here we can see an ERP is an integrated management strategy. It can integrate all the core functional areas of a business organization, and often real time it can be conducted. Usually this strategy is mediated by software and technology. Basically here we can introduce an ERP as a management strategy. In other way, ERP is usually referred to as a category of business management software. Now we are introducing an ERP as a business management software. Typically a suite of integrated applications. ERP is typically a suite of integrated applications, means different applications for different functional areas are integrated as a suite of softwares that an organization can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from these many business activities. So here ERP is usually an integrated business management software with all the core functional activities of a business organization, and this software is used to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from different functional areas of a business organization. But finally, an ERP management information system integrates areas such as planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources, and to help an organization ensuring the optimal level of uses of its resources like man, material, machine, and money. So finally, we are introducing an ERP as a software, but this software is an integrated software with all the core functional areas. That means the different functional modules are integrated in a core system, which is ERP. And usually this sort of ERP is used to ensure the optimal level of uses of the resources of an organization, the resources like man, material, and money, or machine also. Now we shall discuss about the functional areas covered with ERP. Here we can see all the core functional areas of a business organization like procurement, production, distribution, accounting, human resource, corporate performance and governance, customer relationship management, sales, enterprise asset management. These are the core functional areas of a business organization, and ERP usually cover all the functional areas and present an integrated solutions. This is the main feature of ERP. All the functional areas must be integrated in a common system. And then business intelligence reporting can be also produced from ERP system to manage the business and to support the decision making of an organization. E-commerce also can be integrated with this ERP. So these all are the main functional areas of a ERP system. Next, now we should test our learning outcomes from previous slides. Number 1, enterprise resource planning is the accounting software, or enterprise resource planning is the integrated management of the core business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. Which one is correct? Enterprise resource planning is the integrated management of the core business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. So ERP is not only an accounting software, it's an integrated management system. Next, the objective of ERP implementation is to record the financial transaction at real time, or simplify the day-to-day activities, or ensure the optimal level of usage of organizations' resources like man, material, machine, and money. Which one is correct answer? The objective of ERP implementation is to ensure the optimal level of usage of organizations' resources like man, material, machine, and money. The objective is not only to record the financial transactions at real time or only to simplify the day-to-day activities. The main objective is to ensure the optimal level of usage of an organization's resources like man, material, machine, and money. That is why ERP is actually a business management strategy. Now we shall discuss about the benefits and challenges of ERP. Enterprise resource planning software is used to combine all the functions happening inside the organization with the help of one software. All the data is centralized, which makes it easy to manage information for all participants. Although implementation of ERP is most challenging task, ERP enhances lots of benefits to the business management. Some of these are as follows. First of all, quality and efficiency as the benefit of ERP implementation. Usually, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, creates a framework for integrating and improving a company's internal business processes. Those results in significant improvements in the quality and efficiency of customer service, production, and distribution. So, Enterprise Resource Planning is creating a framework for properly managing the core business processes of an organization. The core business processes means those business processes which are vital to improve the quality and efficiency of an organization, and that is how an ERP can improve the quality and efficiency of overall business organization. Now we shall test our learning outcomes. ERP creates challenges in implementation of business process or improvement of quality and efficiency. Which one is correct answer? ERP creates improvement of quality and efficiency. Next benefit is decreasing the cost of an organization. How an ERP can decrease the cost? Many companies report significant reductions transaction processing costs and hardware, software, and IT support staff compared to the non-integrated legacy systems that are replaced by their new ERP systems. So when an organization is replacing their non-integrated individual functional systems by ERP system, ERP which is integrated as single common business suite, business software suite, this is eliminating the additional costs of using non-integrated functional systems, and that is how implementation of ERP can decrease the cost of maintaining non-integrated information systems, that means the functional systems, by using an integrated solutions. The learning outcomes. Implementation of ERP eliminates the cost of using non-integrated functional system, or implementation of ERP is much expensive than non-integrated functional system. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. Implementation of ERP eliminates the cost of using non-integrated functional system. So ERP can reduce the additional cost of using non-integrated functional system, but not expensive, much expensive than on non-integrated functional system. So correct answer is A. Next benefit is in decision support. ERP can assist the management to take decisions. So ERP provides vital cross-functional information on business performance to managers quickly to significantly improve their ability to make better decisions in a timely manner across the entire business enterprise. So ERP can provide lots of critical information and it make easier to the management to take proper decision in proper time. That is how an ERP system can improve or can assist the management in decision support. Learning outcomes. ERP supports top management to take strategic decisions or reduce the staff cost or to perform the job quickly. Which one is correct answer? ERP supports top management to do what? To take strategic decisions. So correct answer is A. ERP supports top management to take strategic decisions. Now the challenges in implementation of ERP system. Challenges in implementing ERP solutions are quite normal. Though it is not completely a technical job, a lot of planning and proper communication is very much essential to implement ERP across the organization. Below are the 7 common challenges we have noticed companies experience when ERP implementation. Number 1. It is very important that implementation is done in stages. Trying to implement everything at once will lead to a lot of confusion and chaos. So if any organization wants to implement all the whole ERP in one stage, then the implementation would face serious challenge. Number 2, appropriate training is very essential during and after the implementation. The staff should be comfortable in using the application or else it will backfire with redundant work and functional inefficiencies. Number 3, lack of proper analysis of requirements will lead to a non-availability of certain essential functionalities. This might affect the operations in the long run and reduce the productivity and profitability. So proper analysis is very much important. If there is any lackings in analysis of business requirements, then that implementation of ERP will be challenging. Number 4, lack of support from senior management will lead to unnecessary frustration in workplace. Also, it will cause delay in operations and ineffective decisions. So it is essential to ensure that the senior management supports the transformation. Number 5, compatibility issues with ERP modules lead to issues in integration of modules. Companies associate different vendors to implement different ERP modules based on their competency. It is very essential that there is a way to handle compatibility issues. Number 6, cost overheads. Cost overheads will result if requirements are not properly discussed and decided during the planning phase. So before execution, a detailed plan with a complete breakdown of requirements should be worked out. Number 7, investment in infrastructure is very essential. ERP applications modules will require good processing speed and adequate storage. Not allocating suitable budget for infrastructure will result in reduced application speed and other software issues. Hardware and software security is also equally important. These are certain generic challenges while implementing ERP solutions depending on the sector in which the company operates in. The extent of complications may vary, so it is very essential to bring on board an expert team of consultants. This will ensure the implementation process is smooth without any glitches. Now, test of learning outcomes. To avoid the challenges in implementation of ERP, the implementation should be done in stages or all modules at a time. Which one is the correct answer? Number A is the correct answer. To avoid the challenges in implementation of ERP, the implementation should be done in stages. Next question. Successful implementation of ERP strongly depends on user level training before starting system analysis or during and after implementation of ERP. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is B. Successful implementation of ERP strongly depend on user level training during and after implementation of ERP. Next question. Proper business process and requirement analysis increase the cost of ERP or increase the length and depth of ERP? Which one is correct answer? Number B is the correct answer. Proper business process and requirement analysis increase the length and depth of ERP. Next question. Support of senior level management encourages the users support in taking rapid decisions regarding system development and implementation. Which one is correct? Number B is correct. Support of senior level management support in taking rapid decisions regarding system development and implementation. Next question. Separate modules developed by separate vendor in different platform creates challenges in compatibility, issues in integration, or create challenges in business process analysis. Which one is correct answer? Number A. Separate modules developed by separate vendor in different platform creates challenges in compatibility, issues in integration. Next question. Inadequate analysis of user requirements create chaos in conducting training or increases the overhead cost. The correct option is B. Inadequate analysis of user requirements increases the overhead cost. System compatible infrastructure plays vital role in smooth implementation of ERP or increases the overhead cost. The correct answer is A. System compatible infrastructure plays vital role in smooth implementation of ERP. Now, the causes of ERP failure. If we analyze the reasons of failure in implementation of ERP in different organizations, we may see in almost every case the business managers and IT professionals of the companies underestimated the complexity of the planning, development, and training that were needed to prepare for new ERP system that would radically change their business processes and information systems. Failure to involve affected employees in the planning and development phases and to change management programs or trying to do too much first in conversion process are typical causes of failed ERP projects. Insufficient training in the new work task required by the ERP system and failure to do enough data conversion and testing was other causes of failure. In many cases, ERP failures are also due to over-reliance by company or IT management on the claims of ERP software vendors or on the assistance of prestigious consulting firms hired to lead the implementation is another vital reason of ERP failure. Now testing the learning outcomes. Proper estimation of time and cost of ERP implementation is important for successful ERP implementation or is important for cost saving. Which one is the correct answer? Number A. Proper estimation of time and cost of ERP implementation is important for successful ERP implementation. Next question. Involvement of the end user of ERP at training stage is helpful for ERP implementation, or system requirement analysis stage is important for ERP implementation, which is correct answer. The correct answer is B. Involvement of the end user of ERP at system requirement analysis stage is important for ERP implementation, not in training stage. The involvement of the end user is important at the system requirement analysis stage. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.